Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through building a Shopify store in just 5 minutes using Storebuild.ai. This platform makes it incredibly simple to turn your ideas into a fully functional store in no time. We'll explore how Storebuild.ai works, why it's a revolutionary tool, and how it empowers you to create a professional online store. No coding, endless design adjustments, or wasted hours required. Whether you're just getting started or aiming to scale your business, this tool could be the game changer you need for building and growing your online store efficiently. Don't forget to click the link to Storebuild.ai in the description to follow along with this tutorial. Before diving into the platform's features, let's first discuss what Storebuild.ai is and how it can help you set up your Shopify store with ease. Storebuild.ai is designed to remove the technical and creative barriers that often make starting an online store feel overwhelming. The process begins with a short onboarding session where you answer a few questions about your business. This allows the AI to understand your niche, target audience, and design preferences. Whether you're selling handmade goods, dropshipping, or offering digital services, the platform creates a store tailored specifically to your needs. Unlike generic templates, Storebuild.ai delivers a custom-built site aligned with your business goals. Let's tell about features that make Storebuild.ai stand out. Writing product descriptions can be one of the most time-consuming tasks, especially for new store owners with a large inventory. Storebuild.ai simplifies this by generating professional SEO-friendly descriptions in seconds. For instance, if you're selling eco-friendly bamboo sunglasses, the AI highlights features like sustainability, lightweight design, and UV protection. This not only saves you time, but also ensures your product pages are optimized for search engines right from the start, helping beginners confidently launch their stores with SEO-ready content. Designing a professional-looking store that reflects your brand can feel daunting. Storebuild.ai eliminates this challenge by recommending layouts, color schemes, and branding elements tailored to your business type and audience. For example, if you're selling luxury skincare products, the AI might suggest sleek, minimalist designs with neutral tones to convey elegance and sophistication. The result? A store that looks polished and professional, even if you've never used a design tool before. Marketing can be a tricky area for beginners, requiring creativity, strategy, and technical know-how. Storebuild.ai simplifies this with tools to generate ad copy, create email campaigns, and suggest keywords for Google Ads. For instance, if you're running a flash sale, the AI can craft promotional emails with engaging subject lines and calls to action. It can also design targeted ad campaigns for platforms like Facebook and Instagram, leveraging data-driven insights to help you reach the right audience. This automation saves time and increases the likelihood of successful campaigns. Once your store is live, Storebuild.ai integrates with analytics tools to provide valuable insights into visitor behavior, conversion rates, and page engagement, helping beginners interpret and act on data that might otherwise take years to understand. To begin, click the link in the description to visit the Storebuild.ai website. You'll see an option to launch your Shopify store in just 10 minutes with a free AI-built store. Click the green Build My Store button to get started. After clicking Build My Store, provide basic information like your name, email address, and password. Then, click Create Your Free Account to access the Storebuild.ai dashboard. Here, the setup process begins. Select your niche. Choose from categories like clothing, pet care, tech gadgets, or home and outdoor gear. For this tutorial, we'll choose the clothing category. Choose a theme color. Select a color that will influence your store's fonts, backgrounds, and design highlights. For this example, let's pick green. Select a banner. Pick from various styles to match your brand's personality, from minimalist to trendy designs. Once these design elements are set, you'll need to create a Shopify account and select a pricing plan. Click Register on Shopify, which takes you to Shopify's website. Take advantage of their special offer, 3 months for just $1 per month. Follow the prompts to set up your Shopify account and activate your plan. Next, return to Storebuild.ai and link your Shopify store by pasting your store's URL into the provided field. Click Save and proceed to the product import stage. Storebuild.ai integrates with Zendrop, a tool that simplifies adding products to your store. Activate Zendrop, install the plugin, and follow the setup instructions. This step streamlines product imports, saving you time and effort. Finally, complete the onboarding process and make any final adjustments in Storebuild.ai. Once everything is set, click Next to publish your store. If you haven't activated your Shopify subscription yet, you'll see a reminder. Remember, the first 3 months are just $1, making it an affordable way to get started. Storebuild.ai revolutionizes the process of launching your Shopify store by doing all the heavy lifting for you. In just minutes, it generates a fully functional e-commerce store, preloaded with high-quality, ready-to-sell products. There's no need to worry about design headaches or spending hours on setup. It's all done for you with precision and speed. But that's just the beginning. Storebuild.ai gives you the freedom to make your store truly yours. You can customize the design, tweak product descriptions, upload your own branding assets, and even add new features to create a store that reflects your unique style and vision. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, this powerful tool ensures your online store stands out and performs. Once you're happy with your setup, you're ready to launch and start selling to customers worldwide. It's never been easier to turn your ideas into a thriving business. And that's how you can build a complete Shopify store in just 5 minutes with Storebuild.ai. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the link in the description to access this incredible tool and take advantage of our special offer to set up your Shopify store for free.